What is Git and why use it?
Git is a powerful version control system that helps you manage changes to your code. It tracks the history of your files, makes collaboration easier, and lets you experiment without losing progress. Whether you work alone or with a team, learning Git is an essential step in maintaining organized, efficient software projects.
Installing Git on your computer.
Start by downloading Git from the official website. Windows, macOS, and Linux all have installation options. After downloading, run the installer and follow the prompts. Once installed, you can open your terminal or command prompt and type Git version to check that Git is working correctly.
Configuring Git with your information.
Before using Git for your project, set your name and email so your commits are identified. Open your terminal and enter git config-global-user.name, your name, and git config-global-user email, your.email@example.com. This information will be attached to all your project changes.
Starting your first Git project.
Go to your project folder using the terminal. To start tracking files, run git init. This creates a hidden Git directory in your project, enabling version tracking. From here, Git will monitor your project's files and changes as you work.
Making your first commit.
To save your project's current state, stage your files by typing git add ... Then commit your changes with git commit-m, initial commit. This records a snapshot of your code, lets you track future changes, and forms the foundation for effective project management.